why creating a vision is so important in your life and in going through this initiation. So one thing that we have to understand is that we have this incredible organ called the brain, and we have a spirit and a soul essence that also comes and lives through us. And as soon as we give our wonderful brain a direction to go, it really is an organ that is meant to look for opportunity and problem solve. And so we have to create a vision to, number one, get our mind and our brain working for us and starting to look for opportunities of what we want to create. We also need to activate our spirit and our soul energy to be aware and conscious of what it is we want to create. So the premise of everything that I teach is all about the truth that you are each creators. You are creators of your own life. So we are constantly creating our experiences. But if we don't give a vision and a focus and clarity to what to create, we tend to create drama. We tend to just let our subconscious beliefs just create any old thing in our life to occupy us, to give us entertainment, okay? So as soon as we place a focus and a vision, we are then activated. We are becoming aware and conscious creators. Now, it doesn't mean that we won't have blocks to this vision based off our programming, based on what our ancestors believe, based on what you inherited in your childhood beliefs, based on your soul beliefs, based on your history beliefs. But what will start to happen is that those blocks will come up so that you can then start working on them and releasing them. So even those blocks are coming up for a reason, because you have said, I want to create this in my life. And every atom of your being and your environment and the creator says, okay, perfect. Here's what you need to work on and clear. Here's what you need to step into in order to create that vision. So remember that everything in your life that you are asking for, that you've given clarity around and said, I want this, this is my dream, is being presented to you. Whether it's opportunity that you're either saying yes to or ignoring or being afraid of and not standing up and leaning in and saying yes to it, or it's like, great, that's what you want. Here are the things to work on. Here are the things to resolve, or here are the things to overcome to step into that. So this is really part of the aspects we started chipping away at through letting go and through discovering kind of our qualities, our virtues, right? That's part of it. So now we are really getting all of ourselves on board and claiming our creator rights, claiming this birthright to say, I am a creator and this is what I'd like to create.